Hey, welcome back to Subtech Online. I'm going to show you how you do letter grading with ease. Someone else, this is how you would have done it manually. You look at the 75, you come to the grading table, you say, okay, 75 is a C. Then you go to the next, this is an F. You go to the next, this is an A. When will you ever finish this? No, you're not supposed to do it like this. Delete this. What do? Create a column in the grading table. That is a Control Shift plus, or right click and create an insert a column. So I will insert my column and I will call this column a score. Now pick up the minimum values. We start with a 0, the next is a 36 here. So the moment I put 2, Excel will already know what I'm doing. Just do a Control E for flash fill. It will flash that downwards. Now come to your grading column, equals to, we are using a VLOOKUP formula. So equals to VLOOKUP. What are we looking up is this value. What are we looking up is that value, comma, and what is the table array? This is our table array. Make sure that you lock this by pressing F4 on your keyboard, then comma, and what are we taking up? This is the second index we are taking up, the grading number 2, close brackets and enter. There you go. Then autofill this downwards, and that is it. Remember to subscribe, and I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.